Good morning and howdy. Today we're over at Kelvin's shop
Howdy, y'all.
and we're going to be taking a look at the ENGWE L20 2.0 e-bike. First, let's take a look at how this thing is packed. Oh, very nice, very nice. Let's see if we can get this thing unpacked a little bit. They did not spare the packing materials. Looks like we got boxes of parts, probably batteries and chargers and tools and who knows what all. And just like that, it's ready to come out. Oh boy. So we'll get this unwrapped, get the strapping materials off of there, and proceed to assembly. They sent us the green color. It also comes in black and pink. While Kelvin's doing the unpacking, I'll tell you a few of the specs for the L20 2.0. It's got a 52 volt, 750 watt motor, peak 1125 watts, maximum torque of 75 Newton meters, a battery of 52 volt, 13 amp hour, twist throttle, speed sensor, max speed is 20 miles per hour, pure electric mode, and 28 miles per hour pedal assist mode. You can go about 28 miles on pure electric mode and 84 miles on pedal assist mode. It'll carry 264 pounds. It's got mechanical disc brakes, 20-inch 3.0 fat tires, Shimano 7-speed gear shift, dual suspension. That is, the front fork is suspension, and then it has a saddle tube suspension. It's got front and rear lights and a brake light. In the box it weighs 86 pounds. Out of the box it weighs 68 pounds. 67 inches long by 25 by 51 inches. When it's all folded up, it is a folding bike, which is the main difference between the L20 and the L20 2.0. The folding size is 40 by 17 by 31 and a half. Saddle height goes from 35 to 40 inches. Handlebar height goes from 45 to 50 inches. The pedal height is 5.1 inches from the ground. Recommended rider size is 5'4" to 6.2 inches, and it's waterproof up to level IPX5. Looks like it's all there. Looks like the first step is install the handlebars. The tube has a minimum insertion level. You got to be sure you get at least that deep into it. Moving on to the front fender and front wrap. And the bike comes with metal fenders. That's kind of nice. I'm pretty sure most bikes come with plastic fenders, at least the ones that we've done before. I'm sure there's pros and cons either way, but metal seems like a good idea to me. We found that the front rack has a little hook on it with a vinyl protective cover that holds the wires in place that go up to the controls on the handlebars. The way the handlebars naturally went into place, put the wires on this side of the bike where that little hook wouldn't do any good. So we had to lift the bike, take the handlebars off, put the handlebars under the bike and come up on the other side to catch those wires with that hook. So now Kelvin's going to install the front rack with the wires held securely in place. And the bike comes with a set of tools, but Kelvin found that he likes using his X driver much more. And then the last step with the rack is to install the headlight, which is what Kelvin's doing now. Well, that headlight's way down there. Oh, but we don't have the tire on yet. That'll probably help some. And then the last bit up front here is to install the wheel. And I'm going to have to go over and lift that up for Kelvin. I'll let go when you say. Caliper's in place between the brake pads, and Kelvin's just going to tighten the nuts on each side of the axle. Looks like pedals next, and then the seat. And because it's a folding e-bike, the pedals fold to save space as well. Nice. Onto the seat. So ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is an ENGWE L20 2.0, all assembled and ready to ride. So of course the seat's in the way of the battery, except that ENGWE took note of that and made a concession by having a folding seat. So now it's just a simple matter of sliding the battery in with the seat out of the way.
Seat back.
Cool. Go ahead and power it up, see if we got any juice to take this thing for a ride. Oh, nice display. The battery's about 2/3 full. I think that's good. What do you think, Kelvin?
I think he's ready to ride.
Does the headlight work? Yay! What about the tail light? Brakes? Haha.
I think I'm ready.
I wanted to let you know that we changed position of the headlight. It was mounted here on the front of the front rack. Well, the problem with that is when you turn the wheel, it didn't turn with the wheel. So if you're going at nighttime, you're going around a corner, it would be pointing over there and you're going this way. So we took the light off of that bracket and put it down here with the fender bolt, and so now it turns with. And that'll just be a whole lot better. And while we've been waiting for the snow to stop, Kelvin went over this thing with a fine-tooth comb, tightened up every nut, bolt, and screw on it. So we're ready to go riding, and the snow has stopped, so let's go riding. We're in pedal assist 1. We have 2, 3, 4, 5 pedal assist levels. We got the derailleur set on 2, and I'm just going to take off here. Got a little bell over here that doesn't ding very loud, but it dings. So we'll just give this thing a try right around here in the cul-de-sac. Pedal assist 1, throttle only goes to about 16, 17, 18. Well, how could that be? 20 miles an hour in pedal assist 1? I don't know how that's possible. We haven't changed the settings at all. Pedal assist 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we're going to have to figure out these pedal assist levels, because I was going 20 miles an hour on 1. Now I'm on pedal assist 5 and it still only wants to go 20 miles an hour. I'm not pedaling 20 miles an hour. I don't have any mirrors on this bike, so I don't know what's behind me and what isn't. I'm just messing around here. It's freezing cold outside, I can tell you that. Hitting the brakes, got a car pulling out.
We're gonna have to set it up like you did out yours and mine.
Well, I'm concerned about that. I'm gonna go back down to 1, and it was going 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, I see. I was like, that thing going fast. When you took off, I was like, this thing is moving.
Yeah. I guess I'll go around the block. I'll be right back.
Okay.
No pedaling 20 miles an hour. In level 1. 20 miles an hour in level 2 or level 5. 20 miles an hour, it doesn't matter what level you're in. seat's pretty comfortable. It's nice to have that cushiony spring.
Yeah, see?
Same. Kelvin's gonna try his hand at 2.0 as soon as the traffic lets up here.
Alright. Going up the hill with no pedal assist. And I got it in sports mode 5. It goes about, hold steady at 17 without pedal assist going up the hill. With pedal assist, it gets back up to 20. I'm gonna go give it a go over here up the hill, down the road. Here we go. This is about a 2 or 3, 4 mile stretch. Look at the view of the mountain. It's beautiful. Off-road on the rocks. It does its job. No problems at all. Going out onto the road. Now I'm on a straightaway. This road goes about 2 miles heading toward the mountains. There's a lot of houses back here, but I can get down this road on my e-bike, no problem at all. On a straightaway, maxes out at 21, no pedal assist. The more you just use the throttle, wears on the battery a little bit, but add some pedal to it and it's all good. No problems at all. Off-road, on-road, it was perfect.
Well, we're back to Kelvin's place, and it came up the driveway, which surprised me. That's quite a steep driveway, so it's got good torque. Well, we've assembled it, we've ridden it, we've taken it off-road. What are our opinions about it? It's got really great torque. Kelvin didn't have any trouble riding off-road. It goes 20 miles an hour with pedal assist mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, didn't matter, it went 20 miles an hour. So I think there might be something wrong with the speed sensor. I'm not totally certain about that, but I'm certainly going to ask them about it. It's a good looking bike, beautiful color green. I like the ENGWE emblem on there. It's comfortable to ride, although a little tall for me. but even so, once I was on there, I was quite comfortable. The suspension seat post is very nice. The front suspension's very nice. Overall, the build quality is good. Didn't really have any problems assembling it. Everything went together smoothly, quickly. I don't think it took 20 minutes to put it together. I like the wiring harness, tucked away pretty well. Kelvin, you got any thoughts about it?
Well, when I was riding it, the seat suspension was very good. The front fork suspension, it was awesome. Every time I hit a bump, it was just up and down. It was really good. Overall, I think it was a nice, smooth ride, comfortable.
I'm going to do a quick comparison to the L20. This is the L20 2.0 that we're looking at. The L20 sells for $999. This bike in front of you sells for $799. That seems like a bargain to me. It has a 750 watt 52 volt motor. The L20 has a 750 watt 48 volt motor. This has the dual suspension with the suspension seat post. The battery is 52 volt 13 amp hour, where the L20 was a 48 volt 13 amp hour. They both have the front and rear rack. This one's foldable and the L20 is not foldable. Compared to other make e-bikes selling at $999, some have 500 watt 48 volt motors, single front suspension, no seat post suspension, 48 volt 11 amp hour batteries. So my opinion of the L20 2.0 is this is a lot of bike for the money. Be sure to look down in the description for a link. There may be a discount code. I'm not certain about that, but you can take a look. I'll put it all down in the description right under your video window. Go on over to the ENGWE site. I think you'll be impressed by their selection of e-bike and their selection of accessories. It's huge. So that about wraps up our review of the ENGWE L20 2.0. So for now, this is Phil, Shady Acres Woodshop, signing off.